Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. So I get this question a lot. How much weight can I expect to lose with semaglutide treatment? I'll discuss this in a little more detail today. Weight loss results vary from person to person. Along with taking semaglutide, there are multiple other factors that can affect the amount of weight you lose. Here are the three main factors. The first one is severely obese patient may lose more in terms of pound initially compared to someone who has less weight to lose. Second, patient who combine semaglutide therapy with healthy diet, exercise, and proper sleep will lose more compared to who just depends on semaglutide for weight loss. Third, patient taking higher dose of this medication may lose more compared to somebody who is taking a low maintenance dose. Clinical study has shown that semaglutide can help produce significant weight loss in overweight and obese patients. In clinical trial, participants lost an average of 13.5 pounds over 26 weeks when used in combination with moderate diet and exercise. In 68-week study, participants taking Ozempic lost up to 20% of their body weight, and those on Wegovy lost an average of 16% of their initial body weight compared to 5.7% for those taking placebo. So the studies have shown that semaglutide lose weight significantly, but how many pounds you lose or how much you expect to lose will vary from person to person, and these are some common factors that can affect your weight loss. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.